So this mountain up ahead is Mount Talbot, and you can see on the side of it that big chunk of ice. That's actually what's called a hanging glacier. So it would have originally met the glacier that was travelling down this valley, but that's of course gone now, and this glacier up on the mountain has retreated so far up it is just a hanging chunk of ice now, but it's what's known as a hanging glacier. We have a lot of them in New Zealand.